Welcome to Saliqa Mag. How you can use elastic to create all these beautiful designs. Step by step we will learn 5 different styles of sewing elastic. So let's quickly start, but if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so every time you will get notification. So first is encased elastic. For this you need to take elastic less than your actual fabric size, and we will fold it from here. You can take elastic almost 4 inch or 10 centimeter less than your actual fabric size. So now I just fold here the hemline something like this, and then I will fold it again, and will stitch the side lines. And now it's time to stitch according to your elastic width. So I'm just marking here according to my elastic width, and then I will stitch this only leave almost 2 inches or 5 centimeter opening, and you can remove this free arm to stitch easily this shape. So I'm just leaving here. Now it's time to put your elastic. You can take any safety pin and then just insert, but before inserting it's better if you mark here, so when you will stitch again you know where exactly you have to stitch, because sometimes elastic turn from inside, so it will be difficult. So now just stitch first the elastic here, and then we will close this opening as well. This type of elastic you can use in different pants or even sleeve design. I will show in the picture. So after completing this opening, now it's your choice. You can stitch 2 more stitches here to give it more secure and to give it a design. So here you can see in the picture, you can use in plazo pants or even in a different style of skirts or in sleeve. So this type of elastic you can use in different ways. So now next is zigzag elastic. For this, first you need to stitch your side lines, and after stitching this side line, if you have a serger, you can use serger or overlock machine. Otherwise use this zigzag design here. See, I'm just selecting this zigzag design that is look like a overlock or a serger type of effect, and now just stitch here. So after selecting this design, you can stitch from here, and then I will show you how you can attach elastic. See, that's how neatly your this finish is done. Now it's time to attach the elastic. Again, you can take less than your actual fabric and mark here the center of your fabric, and same way the center back of your this piece, and then attach center back with the center of your elastic, something like this way, on very edge of your fabric. And now this end will be attached on the starting of your this center. Now this way you need to start stitching, and keep in mind that while you are stitching, stretch your elastic, but don't stretch it too much, otherwise you will break your needle. Guys, if you feel this tutorial is useful for you, please don't forget to give your feedback, hit a like button, and if you are first time, just subscribe. So here I just select a very simple type of zigzag design, and I'm stitching on the edge of my fabric with the elastic. See, something like this way. Now I will turn it again and then stitch us with a straight stitch. So in this way my elastic will cover properly, and again see, something like this. So this type of design again you can use in sleeves and different type of dresses. It's up to you how you can create. So now the next is gather elastic. For this again you need to take less than your actual fabric. It depends, if you want more gather you can take more less elastic. So that's how you have to mark the center, and then start from the one edge till the other edge by stretching the elastic. You can see beautiful sleeve designs are made with same way, and this top you can see by using this method. Now the next is shading elastic. Again you need to mark here on three lines. Obviously it depends you if you want more lines you can mark according to that. And again your elastic should be less than your fabric, and it depends, if you want more gathering you can take less elastic. Now just mark the center and attach center with the center. So here I'm just attaching three layers, three lines of elastic. You can create more lines according to your design. So this type of elastic again you can use even in pants and in kids dresses, in formal dresses, or you can create a lot of design. You can see here a dress on the waist. Here this is a shirring design, and even you can see a skirt. This is also done by this method. So the next is waist elastic. For this first we need our actual fabric, that is our dress or whatever we are stitching, and then I just take another piece and I'm marking here according to the width of my elastic, and just mark here the straight lines. And this is my actual fabric, your dress or your trouser, whatever. And now on the wrong side of this fabric I am placing here the wrong side on the wrong side, something like this, and will stitch according to the width of my elastic. So this type of stitching is done, and now I'm inserting my elastic inside this type of elastic you can do in different waist styles and in different even sleeves. So now I'm just skewering my edges first, and then I will stitch on the fitting line. So guys, if this tutorial is useful for you, please don't forget to give your feedback and at least press a thumbs up button, so it will really help me to grow on YouTube channel. So see, that's how I just mark here now the fitting line. And guys, if you are absolute beginner, you can check in my playlist. I have created a beginner course. You can see these beautiful dresses, this green dress also on the waist you can do same design. Hope you like all these designs and easy way to put your elastic and create a design. Thank you for watching.